What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to lock the object in the PowerPoint file. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, have you ever experienced while making the presentation file? For example, here in the Microsoft PowerPoint, I would like to create the file presentation, and usually it will also show you the logo, maybe in the corner here, here, or here. For example, I will put it in this one. And let's say if I duplicate this slide, it will usually show the same object. However, in every slide, this object can be also moved or movable or editable. And how can we create it to become settled and not editable? Don't worry guys, here I will show you the trick. And for example, I wanna delete this second slide. And also I will remove this object too. And the step that you need to do is go to this view menu, and after that you can go to this slide master. So this is the game changer that can help us to make this object more steady and uneditable. And as you can see, this slide master is already activated, and you can or you don't need to click this one. However, this is the first page or the first slide of your file. And for example, I would like to put the shape, or let's say the logo of your organization or your company. And after that, I will click it and I will put it here. And after that, for example, I will start to go to this slide master again, and I will close it. And let's see. As you can see, I cannot totally move this object. And if I duplicate this slide, on the second slide also it cannot be edited or cannot be moved. So isn't that cool, right? So you can start to use this slide master to create the stable and also uneditable or lock the object itself. And what if I would like to delete it? Don't worry, you can go back whenever you want to this slide master in the view menu. Click this again, and after that you can click this object and delete it. And you can close this master view, and this object officially deleted from this slide. So that's all guys. I hope this trick helped you, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.